Alright guys, so here's how to allow TikTok to access photos. So let's get started. First of all, let me just mention here that I'm gonna show you this method only on Android. So it is gonna work on Android. If you are using the iOS, then you can see other videos. Alright, so let me just go to the TikTok and simply long press on the TikTok application, and you will probably find the app info like that. Alright, but if you don't find the app info like this, then you can simply go to the settings, and from here you can search for the apps like that. You can simply search for the apps and you will get apps option, and then from here you can simply go with the manage apps option and then search for the TikTok. Either way, you need to go and find out the TikTok application like that, and then from here you need to select the app permissions and simply scroll it down, and you need to find out photos and videos option. So select that one, and as you can see, photos and videos access for this application, you need to allow this one. So when you allow this one, you will definitely get to know now how we can allow TikTok to access our photos and videos. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.